Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a Christmas list on Amazon. This is a great way to organize your holiday shopping or share gift lists with friends and family. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Amazon app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on account icon on the bottom of the screen. Here you can see an option for the list. Tap on it. And here you can see list and register that you have created. To create a new one, tap on plus button beside the list and registry. And now scroll down and you can see an option for create or register your gift list. Tap on it. Then you will be taken to the interface where you can choose the occasion of the gift. Here's all the occasion. Now enter all information over here and name your gift list. This is for Christmas, so I'm keeping it Christmas gift. Now enter the date you are celebrating. If you don't know the date, you can keep estimated date over here. And select the city, your state, and next. I need access to fill your address. Fill your address. Also check the options if you want other facilities too. Then tap on next. And then it will ask if you want to keep the gift purchase surprise to you or you want to know if anyone have purchased that gift for you. I'm keeping it surprise. Now tap on next. And here you will be asked about the privacy setting of your gift list, either you want the public to view it or not. I am keeping it private. Then tap on create. And that's how you can create a Christmas list on Amazon. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next one.